Well, they're not exactly dry, but they're worlds better than yesterday. I'll tell you what, this has been a pretty cool little adventure, but I am ready to get out of the rain. I think it's time to head back to the beach. I got a plane to catch. Oh, I'm gonna get soaked. Oh. Oh, there's a seal right there. Well, I got a bit of bad news. I just got a message from the pilot that they're weathered in at Ketchikan and they can't come get me. I don't know how bad the weather is. I don't know how long it's gonna last. All I know is the pilot said he'd give me an update in 2 hours. That's how it is here in Alaska. You have to bow to the weather. The weather doesn't bow to you.